Hello, it's JordanTheVillainsFan. Today, I will react to YTP, the Locomotives of Sodom discover a new kind of locomotion. It's requested by Thomas and Friends Merchandise Collector. In case you can tell by the warning, it contains loud noises, flashing colors, foul language, blah blah blah. Although I might be turning it down a lot because I might not know how loud it is. Well, I have nothing else to say. Without further ado, let's get started, shall we?
I advise you to turn off your set now.
Thanks, Homer.
I dare you. Because you...
Two things. The two things. What?
The moment Jesus approves of this message.
What?
Be frightened, Thomas, he laughed. It's only me. I won't... Sorry, I'm...
What?
Masturbate.
Masturbate?
Whoa. Look what's going. When Percy got
What?
home, his driver
He's gay?
looked like in a mirror. All that you are is a face in the mirror.
You say gay fucker in the mirror? I mean, he's glitching. Are you saying a boob job?
Very proud of you. And he ran off.
Oh, fuck. Sorry, an ad showed up. Thomas. Spams? He looks angry. What? Kiwis. Yep, it depends on kiwis. Henry's sister? That music sounds annoying. Racist?
It wasn't anything really. Yet Percy was nothing to an engine with determination.
What? A pussy?
Ran off to the harbour singing. No one loves
Hey,
Hello, said Thomas. Who are you? I'm the Who.
You're the Who.
I'm May.
Yeah.
Hello, bitch, said Thomas.
Oh, bitch.
I can do better.
Oh, you can.
Okay.
Every time he
Okay.
another engine, he would say,
That sounded familiar.
all had the same answer.
Mormonism teaches that trillions of planets scattered throughout the cosmos.
Yeah. Nickelodeon? Nickelodeon? What is that? Holy sh! Kim Possible? Muppet Babies? What? Why is he having his nose like that? Is he singing? What?
Meanwhile, I hope you will both make her welcome and comfortable.
Come.
Take it.
Oh.
Daisy was
Sing it.
anything smelly is bad for my swerves.
Smell. Oh my god.
This is better, said Daisy. But whatever is that rubbish? The rubbish turned out to be her face and her wife.
A panty and stocking?
Why, bless
Sorry, there's just so much going on. Why does he have so many eyes?
There's a notice about them in our shed. Cops and seamen spread diseases.
Cocks and semen spread diseases. Stop your making.
well remember that dreadful accident on his first day. Careful.
No, it's hell.
Some cows were grazing. He took the midnight train.
Oh God, no! I hate that song.
Told me was cross. I have leaving in this group. It seems
What?
there was something on the bridge. It was Gordon with the express.
Gordon. Yep, there he goes.
Tell me, hurry.
Tim Curry?
What's this? A cow.
Yeah.
For her most beautiful sight here.
Oh, that song. Ooh, my ding ding dong. Yeah. You reverse back.
Oh, why Edward?
Oh, ooh.
Oh, really?
Said James. I should like to see you do it. Said Edward, I'm ready. Said James. So am I. Good Tom
What?
pushed and puffed.
What?
James was
My God. Trade sex.
chuckled up.
The California raisins will return after these messages.
No. No. Aladdin?
Been stealing. Your coat for many years.
Our Lord works in mysterious ways.
Where? Why from here to there? Her diesel.
Weed is a surprise. Surprise. What? Says husband. Surprise.
But, said Scowl Diesel.
Surprise birds? What?
You're the only danger on the rails, Thomas. Let's
DuckTales? They just shot themselves
asked Henry nervously.
with a SpongeBob explosion. Who? Harry died from a stroke after 5 days later.
Said Gordon. He won't choose to. If you call me what I think you're gonna call me, I'm a fucking shank you.
I will fucking shake you.
Say it again. I dare you.
Samuel L. Jackson?
Motherfucker, say it one more goddamn time.
Alicia Botti Wascross. I can't
Possibly travel in a coach in a
Donald and Douglas or Pepper.
Peppers. Yeah, those are peppers.
Otherwise, I'll fucking kill you.
I'll fucking kill you.
Be better. Couldn't be better. Better.
Could it be better?
Now.
What? And he died.
Trucks sang songs. Rube and Lube. Scruffy, their leader, led the chorus.
Political joke. What is going on? What?
So it stung James right back on the penis.
It stuck Jim right back on the penis? What?
You're a bunch of troublesome trucks.
Bilbo Baggins. Lord of the Rings.
The Mormon Jesus thought that rest was a
What?
Where's all this
What?
coming from, Percy?
No!
Coming from, Percy asked. I don't know.
He doesn't know what? Well, it looks like a creepypasta.
Spooky. Tease Thomas. He's a scaredy engine. Yes, I am, puffed Percy. And when Edward is not hauling trucks, he's very good at nothing.
Yep, he's very good at nothing.
Edward is a useless old fuck. Steve.
He's a useless old fuck. Stevie. Oh man, those girls. Michael Rosen.
Cranky was taking the piss.
Frankie was taking a piss. That one creepypasta. That sounded cool.
Reminds me of fresh
Ed?
Spewing across a babbling brook with a hint of lemon.
We get you. We get no one egg you. What's
You're
the
getting
matter,
on?
Henry? There's no rain today. Stop worrying.
Yes,
Get
there
some
is.
work instead. What are you
You're a
looking
liar.
at? You look silly enough to be a clown. You
He
should
looks,
be in a circus.
it looks silly to be a clown.
What news? Runs a good. The red man just got the blues.
What? What?
And decided that the clown must be added to Sailor Moon Duck.
Sailor Moon? No. Ugh, what?
Whoa. If fish get into an engine's boiler, they always suck your dick, and I know.
What?
Special eyes.
You have special eyes?
Percy was confused. Nice day for Mrs. Kindly is getting slaughtered today.
What? Getting slaughtered?
Something old, something new, something borrowed and stored into me rah rah all around him. Suddenly he saw the mountain goats. I am gonna kill my 17 stepfathers and mine. Video games.
What? What was that?
The scene is badly as you might imagine.
What song is this? Actually, I don't want to know. Don't tell me. Who was that?
Thomas, what are you doing here? I don't
What?
know. Ladies and gentlemen,
Googling
may I
69.
present the good luck package. Side duck.
Psyduck.
Something.
So,
Weddings, whispered Percy. Did you like your kiss? Replied Thomas. No.
do you like your kiss? What? What? My vision's going weird. I don't even know what I just watched. It's about Thomas being gay or something, and then he goes on some weird little adventure. Yeah. And a train that's good at being nothing. Anyways, that was my reaction. That was my reaction to where's the description. I can't bring up the description because I might mess up the recording, but hope you guys like the video. Like, subscribe. I don't use that at all. I just feel like saying it. Anyways, bye.